Hola, clase. So I would like some information about how you feel that you're communicating. There's not a grade associated with this, and I just want to be able to see some data from the whole class about how you think you're doing with communication during our virtual learning. So here's the directions. I'll just read this aloud. I'd like some data on how you see yourself communicating with me and your peers in Spanish. Please listen to the explanation of each item on the rubric and rate yourself based on how you act in class during the synchronous sessions. So I'm only paying attention to when we have class where I'm presenting and we're all sharing. Okay, so first one, eye contact and body language. No eye contact or effort. The camera is always off or almost always off. The camera is sometimes off. Hard to see body language or facial expressions. Consistent body language. Easy to see that you understand what I'm saying. Or great body language. Also, this is where you're responding out loud with Spanish, sí or no, or 1 or 2 word answers. Go ahead and make your choice for that and then move on to the next one.